Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, open your Google account security settings and go straight to passkeys. Make sure your device supports biometric unlock or you have a FIDO2 key plugged or paired. If prompted, enable two-step verification first. This is often required so Google can trust a recovery path. Once done, select Create Passkey, pick the current device or external key, then follow the prompt to verify with fingerprint, Face ID, PIN, or touch. This registers the passkey to your account. Now, authenticate with your new passkey when signing into Gmail. Select passkey as the method, and then approve using your device biometric, PIN, or touch the external security key. You do this because passkeys replace passwords and use cryptographic keys tied to your device, making phishing far less likely. Make sure to add another passkey on a secondary device or a hardware key for redundancy. Once synced or registered, you can manage, rename, or remove passkeys from your Google account security panel. Finish by adding at least one backup passkey or an external FIDO2 key and verify it works. This ensures you can sign in if your primary device is lost. Make sure device clocks are correct and OS/browser updates are applied. These affect cryptographic validation. If you lose all passkeys, use another registered passkey or follow Google account recovery. But prevention is better. Register a second key. If a passkey fails, reconnect the key, restart the device. Update software, then...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.